Hi and welcome to this course. In this video lesson we are going to be talking about an array of object literals. So first we need to create an array of object literals. So let's just create one. So let's let persons is equal to an array, and the array will be of object literals. So just and the first key will be name, and the name will be Shibam Sharav, and is coder will be true, and is will be 18. And let's just copy this and paste it 2 times. So just write like that and like that, and change the values here. So 20, name will be Harry Potter, and is coded is equal to false. And in here we'll say Ron is coded true, and the age will be, let's just say, 22. Okay, now this is an array of object literals. These are object literals, and this persons is an array of object literals. Now I want to access this name. So how can I access this name, this Tron? How can I access it? Well, to access this name of this object, we can say persons and then the first index and then dot name. So let me show you that. So console dot log, and we want to access persons and then the first index. Remember, this is 0, this is first, and this is second index. So we want to access Ron, so it will be first index, and then I want to display the name, so it will be like this. Okay, and now the semicolon at the end, and let's just save this and refresh this, and you will see Ron right here. Now if you want to display all of them, then you can delete these codes, and you can save this and you can refresh this, and you will see that we have an array of object literals, and there are 3 elements. The first one is this one, the second one is this one, and the third one is this one. Now if I want to display is coder of the second index of person, then how can I do so? Well, I can just use this square bracket right here, and then dot is coder. And if I save this and I refresh this, then you will see false. Okay, so that was all that you needed to know as a beginner, and that's gonna be it from me for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.